Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 17.7.1 running iPhone. Let's get started. First I need to get Pengu 8 Pro to my device. Search like this, jailbreak iOS 17.7.1 pengu8.com. Then select the top search result from the list. Find Sileem repo extractor and tap on download button. Go inside the Pengu 8 Pro, select Sileem and install it. Now follow my steps. I am installing Check Rain Virtual using Sileem. Select all repo URL, then tap on Jailbreak and Virtual JB Apps, copy the URL. Paste the copied URL, and go through the process. Jailbreaking is the process of removing the software restrictions imposed by Apple on iPhones, iPads, and iPods. By jailbreaking your device, you essentially unlock deeper levels of customization, access to apps and tweaks that Apple doesn't allow, and more control over your device overall. So, what do you think? Would you jailbreak your iPhone on iOS 17.7.1? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.